Gonna open a box together. You probably already have guessed what's in this box because it was in the video description. But I haven't seen this in person and I'm pretty excited to see it. So let's get to it. We're gonna use one of my favorite pocket knives. This is the Martyr from Vertec Knives. It's a Z35VN steel blade from Crucible Steel, I believe. One of my favorite little pocket folders. For any of you out there who like knives. So inside this box, we should be seeing the new Notch Vertec, a limited run of their Revolution model, which is anodized in red, white, and blue. So, and this is not my first time seeing or using a rope runner Vertec. I do have one right here. This one does not have the Aries friction body kit on it, on the lower bollard. So this one is supposed to have the Aries friction body kit pre-installed. I do have their little magneto chest ascender attached on this, which I actually really like. So if you're running a Rope Runner Pro or the Vertec and you're kind of wondering about this, it's worth picking up. But this guy, so the big difference is this should be red, white, and blue. So, and I am a sucker for red, white, and blue. Oh yeah, look at this. Just look at this box. Look at all the good stuff in there. We got a red, white, and blue Vertec sticker. That's pretty cool. I think that rope that's showing on there, the red, white, and blue kind of flag pattern, I think that's a Yale rope. I don't think that's actually a Notch or Sterling rope. So this one, it comes with a certificate of authenticity, unit 206 out of 250. So I'm glad I got one while I still could. It says, this certifies that you are the owner of an authentic limited edition Rope Runner Vertec Revolution, one of only 250 produced, finished in red, white, and blue colorway and paired with the Aries pulley. This commemorative edition marks the historic milestone of America's 250th year. So that's pretty cool coming from this company group. Owner's manual, scannable tag on it. We have some earth forward packaging, we'll call it. Ooh, oh yeah, look at that. So we've got the three different components. They're the three main components, and the Aries friction body here, anodized in red, white, and blue. Definitely a silver tone, and the blue is definitely not nearly the same color as the traditional Notch colorway. So I'm pretty excited about that. I would have liked them to offer the magneto in a different color for people that maybe want to be all matchy-matchy with the Revolution, but nonetheless, this is gorgeous. I'm pretty excited about climbing on this and throwing this on the rope. So there you have it. This is the new Notch limited edition Vertec in red, white, and blue. So this one, like I said, is unit 206 out of 250. And today, time of recording is March 10th, or excuse me, June 10th. So if you're considering getting yourself one, you are probably have limited time. So get on it. Thanks for checking it out. Appreciate you guys.